Hi,
Okay.
what's your name?
Hello, I'm Sandra. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Sandra. I'm Danny.
How are you?
Not too bad, thanks. A little tired. I've just finished work. How about you?
Same here. Where do you live?
I live in London, not too far from here, actually. What about you?
I live just outside of London.
How long does it take you to travel to London?
About an hour on the train.
Where do you work?
I work for a recruitment company.
Same here. Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. What about you?
I live alone in a flat. It's very small, but it's perfect for one person.
Oh, nice. That flats in London are beautiful.
That's right, but they are so expensive.
Did you buy your flat or are you renting?
I'm renting at the moment, but once I get promoted at work, I'm going to buy it.
Good luck with that. Do you have any siblings?
No, I'm an only child. How about you?
I have a very big family. I have three brothers and four sisters.
Wow, that must be lots of fun.
Um, it is sometimes. I better get going. It was nice to meet you.
You too. Take care.